So, you want an easy meal prep plan for body recomposition. Well, you are in luck, good sir, because I'm about to answer that question in this video. What is up? I'm Sawyer with Resurrected Body Recomposition. You're gay. As usual, I'm going to produce this video without any cuts, edits, a script, images, colors, music, pictures, graphics, naked guys, naked girls, because I'm not a fag like all the other YouTubers who are bought and paid for and controlled by James. Now that that's out of the way, what is an easy, tasty, fun meal prep idea when you're doing body recomposition? Well, you have clearly not watched my previous videos, might I say, or else you wouldn't be asking this retarded question. So I recommend you go back and watch my previous videos about eating, okay? Because they go into like granular depth. They go into microscopic, granular, cellular depth. There's no cuts, like I said, no cuts in these videos. If I fuck up, I fuck up. It's on me. But if you don't want to do that, what is an easy meal prep idea, plan, regimen for body recomposition? Whatever you like to eat. Whatever tastes good to you, whatever you like to eat, meal prep that. What foods do you like? Do you like pizza? Meal prep it. Do you like spaghetti? Meal prep it. You like cheese quesadillas? Meal prep it. You like salad? Meal prep it. It doesn't matter, okay? I've gone over this all, like, so many videos. It doesn't matter what you eat. So that's a controversial statement, by the way. Now, don't get it confused, okay? I'm saying it doesn't matter what you eat. It doesn't when you're talking about weight loss or building muscle. I'll get to building muscle in a second. But it doesn't matter when it comes to those two. You can eat, listen to me, hear me. You can eat Oreos and donuts and Skittles for every single meal, every single day, if your calories are where they're supposed to be and your protein is where it's supposed to be. You will lose weight and build muscle. There are so many people who don't know that. So many people. In fact, I was just having this conversation with my dad. He always, whenever he's eating something, whenever I go over to visit them, he likes to eat cheese and pistachios and blueberries. He goes, "Sawyer, is this healthy?" And I go, "Yeah, it's, pistachios, they're good for you, blueberries good for you, cheese is alright." He goes, he's like, "Well, I mean, I'm eating healthy, why aren't I losing weight?" I always say, he says something along those lines, right? And I always say, "Dad, there is a difference, can be a difference. There can be a difference between healthy food and low-calorie food. Pay attention to what I'm saying, because this is a game changer. 99% of people don't fucking know this." So if you see somebody, if you hear somebody, see somebody, they say, "Yeah, I tried eating healthy, but I couldn't lose weight, so eating healthy doesn't work." Well, kind of, yeah, kind of. Hear me out. You have healthy food in one category, low-calorie food in one category. Think of it as a Venn diagram. So you have healthy food over here, and then low-calorie food over here. Healthy, low-calorie. In the healthy, this is healthy side, right? You can have something like, I don't know, like blueberries, bananas, apples, whatever. right? Those are all healthy. Those are all healthy. Not really low calorie though. Bananas got, it's got like 150, 200 calories. It's not terrible, but if you think of another healthy food, broccoli, spinach, kale, those are all healthy. Those are all fucking 0 calorie foods. So those are in the middle of the Venn diagram. If you go over to the low calorie section of the Venn diagram, I wish I had like a big, I'm gonna have to start doing something here. Over to the low calorie section of the Venn diagram, you have things like Jello, whipped cream. Low calorie foods, not necessarily healthy. So they can overlap. A healthy food can be low calorie and it cannot. For example, avocado or nuts. Anything with nuts in it, any nuts at all, they are going to be healthy but also high calorie because they have a lot of fat. Fat it's the most dense macronutrient, 9 calories per gram. So, if you eat nuts all day and avocados all day, are you eating healthy? Yes. Are you on a low calorie diet? No. That's where people get confused. They don't even think about calories. They just think about, is this healthy or not? That's not the way to think about it. It's all about the calories, baby. It's all about the fucking calories. So what I was saying before, you can eat whatever the fuck you want as long as your calories are good and your protein is good. Now, yes, of course, I can hear the faggots running down to the comments. I can already picture them in my mind. Eating healthy is actually important. Actually, this guy is wrong. Actually, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. You're a faggot. I've done it. People do it all the time. You can eat what you want. If your calories are good and your protein is where it's supposed to be, you will lose weight, you will build muscle. Now, of course, it's good to eat healthy foods, but is it required to lose weight and build muscle? No. No. So when you hear the FDA say, like if people are advertising products about weight loss, they have to put the little FDA disclaimer saying like something, this product is not intended to treat, cure, or prevent any disease, blah blah blah. And then there's another one that says coupled with a healthy diet and exercise or something like that. It doesn't have to be healthy. It just has to be low calorie. There you go. Probably haven't heard that from anybody else. All the other retards, the fitness retards, are saying you gotta eat chicken and rice and broccoli. No. Not required. Unnecessary. If you want to, go for it. If you don't, don't. So what is an easy meal prep idea, plan, regimen? Whatever you like to eat, man. Just track the calories and track the protein. If those two are good, eat whatever the fuck you want. There you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you didn't, my back is sore, dude. If you didn't, you can get fucked. If you did, drop a comment, a like, a subscribe, a share. I know you can't drop a share, alright? But I just say drop for everything. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, fuck, that's right. I gotta start saying when I'm posting videos, so you gotta remind me. I am posting one video every other day at noon, 12 p.m. Central Time, and 4 shorts each day. So check them out. Check them out. And I have to do my thumbnail now, of course. I'm just gonna try this for a few videos. If I don't see any improvement in like the views, then I'm gonna stop doing it because I feel like a retard. So, should we try front double bi, or should we try I don't know. Wait, let me try and do. I have a thumbnail in mind. Let me try and do it. I know it's douchey, alright? Fuck you. I know it's douchey. Hopefully, it works. Hope you enjoyed Sawyer with Resurrected Body Recomposition. Peace.